Evolution and natural selection. How do species change and diverge over time? Name the adaptations. Adaptations are the features that help organisms survive in habitat. There is two different types of adaptation: a camel, a sunflower. Today, we will explain how variation amongst the same species can drive natural selection and relate natural selection with evolution, and list and describe examples of evolution by natural selection. Who is Charles Darwin? He was an English naturalist who studies variations in plants, animals and even fossils. He was famous for his theory of evolution, suggesting that the organism are those that adapt best to their environment. What did Darwin notice? In September 1835, he visited the Galapagos Island, a chain of islands in the eastern Pacific Ocean. There, he made detailed notes and observations on plants and animals. Some of his observations include, there was variation between members of the same species. Some members of a species were better suited to the environment than others. What did Darwin notice? Amongst his best-known animal specimens are the finches. He observed different types of finches, with each island hosting a distinct species. This species exhibit varying beak sizes and shapes, which are adaptation to their respective primary food sources. And think about this. What is natural selection? Every species contains variation. Individuals best to the environment survive. They are also more likely to survive long enough to reproduce successfully, passing their successful genes on to the next generation. What is evolution? Evolution is defined as the changes within species over time. It happen continuously and slowly due to natural selection. However, larger scale changes can be forced by extreme events such as earthquake, a new predator, a new disease, or physical separation such as a mountain rising up or a land mass breaking apart. So there is an example: evolution of the horse, and another example. Key concepts: variation, small differences between individual or species. Natural selection, those best adapted to the environment are more likely to survive. Evolution, changes in the species that happen over time. Rapid evolution. The 1964 earthquake in the USA caused the islands in the Gulf of Alaska to be lifted by over 3 meters. This created a freshwater ponds from previous marine habitats. Thanks for watching.